Hi, my name is Michael Noyes, and this is a demonstration of my class project for COT 5930 Summer 2013. It's an HTML5 project, and I made a game based on a game that me and my friends used to play in grade school. It's called Slolum. And the way we used to play this game is we'd make a slalom course, a lane that was winding and curving on a piece of paper, and then we would time ourselves, take a pencil and rip through it and try to stay within the lines, and we'd get penalized for going out of the lane, and that's how we determined who was the winner. Um, this is my main canvas, which I use for a welcome screen. I'm going to clear that. Now we go to the drawing canvas. So you'll notice over here I've got a chronometer, and that's for keeping time, start and finish. And so anyway, we have the ability to make our own courses. I'm going to hit the draw on, and I'm going to make this kind of a little bit thick here. And this will be, let's make a blue one. So we'll start over here like this and make our course. I like some nice straightaways because it makes it easier to go fast, because we have an automated and a freehand uh, mode here. So that'll be course there. Then we can also add some images, but we have to add all these images to the list before we can actually add them to the canvas. So I'm going to start adding them to the list. And get a couple of canvases here too. Some of these that I have already made and saved. There's one. All right, so let's put one of the 0, 0 position up here. Well, is by default, so we can add one of those little guys like this. Let's see which would be a good one. This looks like starting off at the gate, and then we can set the position. Here's one at a curve. Let's choose the next one. Got another curve over here. Set the position. Put one here. We can put one over there. And I'll put one at the end. Let's see. Let's position right down in here. Which one looks like the end? Here we go. There, that's a good one. Alright, so now what we can do is we've got this nice virgin slalom here. We can save it to the download directory. When it downloads it as a download file with no extension, so you have to go in there and you have to rename it to what the name of it is that you want. I would probably call this blue on white, slalom blue on white .ping, and then you can copy that over to the slalom directory, which is what we're looking at here. Right here you can see that it's the project slaloms directory, and you have to navigate to that first in order to get it work. So now what we're going to do is we're going to make this line thin, and we're going to use the automated mode first, which uses a timer to advance the line, kind of like an Etch-a-Sketch. So let's set the start position, and we're going to hit 6, because we're using the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9 for direction. 5 will suspend the movement, and 0 will restart it. So we're going 6, and let's hit start. And then I'm going to go down, down. Okay, I'm staying in the lane. Blue's kind of dark, it's hard to see, so once I get on that straightaway, I guess I can go, I can speed it up here with the F button. Oops. It looks like I hit the 5. Okay, F. Speed it up a little bit. Yeah, there we go. Let's see if I can stay at this speed. I don't know. This is tough. Oh, I'm cranking now. Ah. Oops. Uh-oh. There, well, let's get back on track here. I really lost some points there. Alright, 0. Start over again. Let's go. Coming down the home stretch here. Hit the H button. Stop. Okay. So my time is 1 minute, 11 seconds, and 48 milliseconds. And I can save this for bragging rights, although I don't see anything to brag about. Save that. Alright, let's clear that. Let's load up one of the previous ones that I made. This one looks interesting here. See, this is one that I saved and renamed. And this one I'm going to use the freehand on. So we still got the thin line. Draws on. Now we're going to reset this. Actually, it'll reset by itself. When I start drawing, it's going to reset. I'm doing this freehand now. Oops. And hit H. And it took me 22 seconds. So that's the freehand. Let's save that for bragging rights. Yes. And so anyway, that's about the extent of my program here. You could also use this as as some kind of a image design thing that you could save for making posters or whatever. So anyway, that's it. Thank you, and have a nice